Good morning, everyone. Daniel the Adjuster. I just wanted to go over the fact of how wonderful it is to get up on a roof on a cool morning in September. Right now it's 60 degrees, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful blue sky, Carolina blue, and we are on the top of the world, again on top of a roof doing a hail inspection. So just enjoy these times of the weather, because it doesn't happen very often that you can just get out into perfect weather. You know, we deal with the heat a lot in the summertime, but hey, it's so nice when it comes fall. Things are just so much more pleasant. You don't break a full body sweat, and it's enjoyable to be on the roof. So this is the time to just enjoy the view, enjoy the weather, and take your time doing your inspection. So let's take a look. All right, we're on top of, looks like a 712. That's a 1012. No problems getting on this roof at all. Did a hail inspection. The back side of this one, again, was the primary source of damage. So let's take a look. I came down here and I was like, you know what? I don't even have to mark anything because it's just insanely hammered. So look at this damage, guys. Yes, that is hail damage. About every inch there is damage. It doesn't matter where you look, you see the same damage. You come down, there it is there, the same damage. So yeah, well, I could do a test square, but that would be kind of silly. Hey, you guys are all thinking, no, it's just in that one area. Well, let's go down here. There it is there, same hits all over this roof. Just absolutely hammered. And yeah, remember I told you guys one of the most important tips, take your tape measure and do a nice beautiful picture showing, man, we got about an inch and a quarter, another one about an inch, and that's just the hit. I mean, the ball was probably bigger than that, so just keep that in mind. Alrighty, well, let's take a round and look a little more. So sometimes when you get up on the roof, you're looking for metal damage. Remember I told you that's a good place to look? Well, there's no metal vents, so you have to rely on these little vents. Well, they're not going to do any good, not going to show you a thing. But hey, maybe you come up to the ridge and you take a look at the ridge vent. You can show people, hey, you know what, there's damage on the ridge vent and there's hail damage too. So that's a good place to start. But yeah, with nothing else, all you can do is notate. We did see our gutters absolutely hammered, so that would be something, you know, you want to go down and take a look at your gutters. That proves it too. So yeah, just a little bit of tidbit. All right, nothing special today. Just wanted to point out some hammered roof systems so you don't have to do a test square. Just have so much damage. It's no reason to mark it all up, but you could just take your tape measure and show them. And so anyways, Daniel the Adjuster. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.